Every business day starts with a new inquiry, emails, quotations, and appointments, and the workload keeps growing. Customers want answers quickly, but when your team is busy or the office is closed, their questions have to wait. Even a simple quotation can take time. Your team checks the details, confirms the price, gets approval, and sends the reply. Every day, your team answers the same questions: product details, operating hours, delivery status, pricing, again and again. But customers' enquiries do not stop after office hours. While your team is resting, a potential customer may already be looking elsewhere. Now imagine a different way of working. A business that can respond instantly, provide accurate information, and continue serving customers around the clock. Meet the AI Chatbot Assistant. It can respond to customer inquiries at any time, day or night. No waiting, no unnecessary delay. The chatbot works from your approved business information, your product details, company policies, frequently asked questions, and service information. A quotation that once took hours can now be completed in seconds. It can also help customers book an appointment. It checks the available times, confirms the meeting, and sends the details automatically. Your AI checks everyone's calendar and finds the best available time and confirms it instantly. Whether your customer is nearby or overseas, your AI assistant is always ready to help. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. AI doesn't replace your people. It gives them more time to focus on work that truly matters. Ready to make your business work smarter? Start your AI transformation journey with DYNAMX today.